What if there was an instrument where you could combine math, computation, and music? With music blocks, you can do just that. In music blocks, there's three main categories of palettes. These are your tools. There's music, there's math and computation, and then there's art and movement. Under music, we have tools like rhythm, pitch, meter, interval, tone or instrument. We even have ornaments, drums, percussion, volume, and other tools like widgets. Let's check out some examples that you can create in music blocks. So this is a project that a student made. This student is in second grade, 7 years old. This is the Snake Maker 5000. It's an interactive project. It combines multiple modalities to make a rather satisfying result. This is one of this, one of that, which is a flip of a coin created through computation. This is a Hilbert curve, combining the art, computation, and clever design decisions. This is a fractal, a dragon curve, made with the computational tools in music blocks. Creating music can be simple in music blocks with the widgets. You can create pitch over time using the phrase maker. We also have a rhythm maker as well. So making longer songs like this are no trouble at all. Or this classic masterpiece. As with any robust programming language, we have ways of making functions, controlling the flow with repeat, conditionals like if, then, else statements, variables, math operations, Boolean logic, and more. All the art tools are inspired by the Logo programming language, which has proven over the years to be an effective tool for exploring computation, especially for kids. Hi, I'm Devin Olbari, co-creator of Music Blocks Visual Programming Language. Music Blocks is a great way to explore music, math, and computer programming. It's intended to be a lot of fun. It's a constructionist tool, which means that you can learn by doing. You can play around with these different concepts to create something that is uniquely your own. All ages, of course, can explore this. Students and teachers alike can learn things, creating things. You can create songs. You can use this to create different instruments. You can use it as an instrument in and of itself. You could conceivably even make a programming language with it, I suppose. I think it's a great way to get music back into the classroom, to ride on STEM, because music blocks is just as much STEM as it is music and art. So there you have it. I hope you enjoy. I hope you get a chance to play around with it. Go to musicblocks.sugarlabs.org to try it out.